Hey, Glitter Girl people, it is 8:49 and we're at TJ Maxx. Let's go, you know? Into TJ Maxx we go. Da 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 da. We are magicians.
¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde están los zapatos?
Right there.
Oh, shoes. They're so fun.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're soft and furry.
Oh, they actually have a lot of
Okay, let's go back. Let's see if any friends are here. I don't know if we have any friends. Oh my god! Look who's here! We knew them.
They have the hottest shoes.
It's Jen.
Look at these. They're my size.
Guys, this is Lauren. She hasn't been in any of our videos yet.
Wait,
this is Jen. Unfortunately, she was in the last video rubbing Ina's brother's head. Roar. Yeah.
So, I think
we look pretty stylish.
Do you prefer this or the leopard one?
Isn't this a leopard? Oh, this is cheetah. I don't know. What's the difference?
Okay. Are we going to any kids' parties soon?
I'm pretty sure it should be. Are we going to any parties?
Ooh, see-through.
Oh.
I don't know.
Ah, you didn't do it.
This one's even better.
Oh. Damn, that's a dress.
Yeah.
It's perfect. She's really pretty.
Make them go.